Ayan na, sunod-sunod na paglabas ni Honor ng phone after the X9b, X8b. Alam naman natin na si X7b na sunod. And probably the next is X6b and X5b. Alam na natin right now ang release pattern ni Honor. Ito phone na ito is definitely going to be priced below 10,000 pesos. It has a really nice look pag tinignan nyo dito. Well, it still comes with a Snapdragon 680, sad to say. Pero nang-improve naman siya over sa X7a which has a G37. Would this phone perform sa gaming and sa camera? Malalaman natin in this full review. Ito, Honor X7b with the 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gig of storage would come with a price point na 8,999. More details on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. Now, one of the good thing dito sa phone na ito is that it has hybrid na SIM slot. So, either you can go for dalawang nano SIM or isa nano SIM plus isa micro SD expansion. Now, another thing na gusto ko dito is kana still nandiyan ang audio jack which definitely would be friendly para sa mga people who likes wired na headphones. Now, did you know ang kanyang design inherit yung galing sa Honor 90, which I believe ito phone na ito is more about yung kanyang good looks. Now, itong color na hawak ko is a flowing silver, but honestly, it's more of a bluish than a silver. Pag inilawan mo, makita mo mga rainbow colors maglalabasan, it really looks nice. I would suggest huwag nyo lagyan ng case para ma-maintain mo ang ganda nito phone na ito. Or if ever gagamit yan ng case, use a clear case. What's also nice dito sa gilid is that matte finish din siya, so may grip siya. Unfortunately, ang likod niya is quite shiny, so expect a lot of fingerprint pag hinawakan mo ng ganito. Now, itong phone na ito has a better chip compared sa X7a. Sa X7a meron siyang G37 which is a 12nm chip. This one has a 6nm chip. Yung nga lang medyo overly used na siya. It's the Snapdragon 680. High 680. Probably na overstock si Honor ng 680 kaya 680 pa rin ang ginagamit nila dito. But still, it's an improvement over sa 7a. Now, getting a 253,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. This is the breakdown score. 96% naman kanyang stability dito sa OneDrive Extreme. Ito ang benchmarking na sa CPU benchmark sa Geekbench. Ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. Now, ito phone na ito is running Magic OS 7.2 inside Android version 13. And it has Google Play Store, so wala kang problema. And ang kanyang screen is a 6.8-inch na IPS LCD with a 90Hz of screen refresh rate and 850 nits ng kanyang max brightness. Kung mahilig ka namang gumamit ng social media, ito phone na ito is definitely good for your consumption. If you're browsing through Facebook, TikTok, or just checking some reels and shorts, be it on YouTube or sa TikTok, it's going to be fun kasi okay naman ang swiping dito, maganda and klaro naman ang kanyang screen. Yung nga lang, hindi lang siya kasing ganda ng AMOLED display. Now, itong phone na ito only has a level 3 na wide security level, so, well, you cannot watch HD dito. But nevertheless, if you're watching mga videos dito sa YouTube, you can enjoy every single video dito dahil okay ang kanyang screen. Now, itong phone na ito has stereo speakers, surprising at its price point. Isa dito sa ilalim and isa dito sa earpiece. So, pakinggan lang natin, sagarin lang natin volume nito. Surprising, malakas ang kanyang sound. Now, alam natin itong phone nito can give you some mid-level na gaming experience. Yung nilaro natin Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84, here are the maximum graphical settings na kaya natin set. Call of Duty Mobile, I would assure you, walang problema. Kahit isagad mo ka ng graphical settings, maglaro ka ng rank matches or mga battle royals dito sa game na ito, I would assure you na you would definitely enjoy. And the touch response ng screen is definitely fast. Wala ka naman maging problema dito sa screen na ito except yung kanyang default na screen protector is medyo pigil lang sa aking daliri. Now, the other way around naman kay Farlight 84, using its maximum graphical settings na pwede mo i-set dito, mapipil mo talagang lag and mag-slow down talagang character mo and you'll feel all of the problems dito. So what I did is nilower down ko ang graphical settings nito to be able to play it a little bit more smoothly. Nilaro ko ng mga isang oras ang Farlight 84 and the gameplay was just okay, average. Nothing really exceptional dito sa game na ito. And pinakamainit na achieve ko dito sa phone na ito after playing for 1 hour is 49 degrees Celsius based sa aking mild thermal scanner. Now, pag-usapan na natin yung camera modules dito sa likod. It has a 108MP na main camera sensor with a 5MP na ultra-wide lens and a 2MP na depth sensor. Shooting up to 1080p and 30fps. And ang front-facing camera is a 8MP na camera sensor which can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps as well. So, simulan natin quickly with some outdoor shot. And looking at this shot, you will see yung mga bato na ito, no? All the details are very sharp, no? And looking at it, pag zoom in mo siya, kitang-kita mo mga blemishes kanya, yung mga imperfection dito sa bato is very evident. And pag tinignan mo naman yung mga dahon na dito, hindi naman siya saturated na ganang green. Equally said dito sa bato na ito, you see all of the details being preserved dito. And I kinda like itong shot na ito, itong flower na ito. You see, pag zoom in mo siya, mga details na dito sa kanang petals is very evident. And pati yung kanang pollen dito sa kita is still good. But on some occasion, mapapansin mo ang mga green size a little bit greener than the usual. Depende sa kanya AI, sometimes in-enhance siya and sometimes hindi niya in-enhance. Now, kung nilaro mo naman ang kanyang ultra-wide lens, this is how it looks like. And this is the normal lens. And this is a 2x zoom lens. Now, you see some color inconsistency sa kanyang ultra-wide and sa kanyang wide lens. This one looks a little bit more of a lighter blue ang kanyang sky. This one looks more of a darker blue. And pagdating naman sa 2x zoom, almost the same naman siya sa 1x zoom. Now, looking at some of the cloud details dito sa shot na ito, you really see some fluffy clouds dito and quite good ang mga details na makikita mo dito sa picture na ito. Now, kung laruin mo ulit ang kanyang ultra-wide lens, this is how it looks like dito sa scout circle. And this is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. Now, pag zoom in natin dito sa gitna, you'll see some details but not very clear. Now, if you're taking some indoor low light, I would say okay naman, kaya naman perform ka ng camera. And this is a portrait shot. You'll see some nice background separation between the subject and the background dito sa kanyang portrait shot. And if you look at this one, you'll see some really nice details dito sa holder nitong mug na ito. Now, pag tinignan ko naman itong bean shot na ito, if you zoom it in, you'll see some really nice details, but hindi lang siya super clear. Now, on some occasion, you'll be able to get some really nice food shot like this one. Mukhang okay siya, di ba? Magandang color, sharp, and quite yummy tingnan. But on some occasion, you might look pale just like this one. Now, on some low-light photography, you get some really nice details like this one. Na pagdating naman sa gabi, ang kanyang night camera is just so-so. Don't expect too much from its night camera. But sometimes, depending on the environment, you'll be able to get some nice night shot just like this one. Now, checking some selfie shot from its front-facing camera. Okay, nothing really special, but I would say na decent na kanyang front-facing camera and smoothen out ang aking muka. Wala pa naman kinakalikot sa settings. And equally said din naman dito sa picture na ito, makinis ang aking muka. Now, if you're bringing the phone low light indoor, there are times na medyo hirap siya konti sa kanyang front-facing camera. But on some occasion na may kunting lighting, you'll get some nice photo like this. Now, trying its front-facing camera using a 1080p and 30fps na front-facing camera, I would say nakakahilo, is shaky. And using the rear camera, taking 1080 and 30fps na shot is looking something like this. It's shaky but not as shaky as the front-facing camera. But yung kanyang quality is not so bad. Now, the phone na ito has a 6,000 mAh na battery, which is, for me, it's quite big. And medyo magaan siya. Itong phone na ito, hindi siya ganang kabigatan. It only weigh in at around 198 grams, and this one can support up to 35 watts of fast charging. So if you're charging from 0 to 100, it takes more than an hour. Siguro isa't kalating oras tapos na mag-charge. And what's nice dito sa phone na ito, it can last you almost 2 days without charging. At nung sinalang ko siya sa battery stress test, binigyan ako ng almost 18 hours na screen on time, which is for me, goods na goods. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Honor X7b? Well, honestly, maganda nga ng design and makuna ka ng battery. Yung camera is just average. Nothing really awesome sa kanang camera, but it can give you some great shots given pag maganda ang lighting condition mo. Gaming, well, honestly, hindi mo mapapatakbo yung mga heavy games like Genshin Impact dito, and pati Farlight 84, you even need to step it down. But it can game naman. ML is definitely no problem dito. So guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili ng Honor X7b, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be honorable. I'll see you soon. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.